start the show. We've still got some time left because our animals are still putting on makeup. So let me use it to share a few important messages with all of you. First things first, have a look at our 3 aisleways. Aisleway 1, Aisleway 2, and Aisleway 3. Now when the show starts, I need each and every one of you to remain in your seats. Do not move up and down these aisleways because animals will be coming up from all over the amphitheater. That's right, that's right. Now, do let me warn you, the animals that come out may look cute, adorable, and very tempting to touch. Please do not touch them. They are trained, of course, but they only recognize us trainers and handlers. So if you reach out and try and grab onto one, well, let me just say they won't hesitate to let you know how they feel. And trust me, folks, it doesn't feel very good at all. Keep your fingers and toes to yourselves, and we will have a safe and fun show. Let's move forward to my next announcement. It's for the people in the first few rows. Maybe row 1, 2, and 3. Hello, folks. I want to let you guys know that you will be participating in the show. That's right. But if you have any concerns about being too close to animals, or you're carrying really young infants with you, now is the time to move to a seat higher up in the amphitheater. Anyone want to move? There's no shame. We shot. No? Alright, fantastic. We've got a brave crowd. Okay, I have one last announcement to make. This is the most important one of all, so do listen up. As you know, we are in the night safari, meaning all the animals you are about to see are nocturnal with very, very sensitive eyes. So those bright lights and sudden flashes from your cameras, your video cameras, it will startle the animals, it will scare them. In cloudy weather, it resembles blinding. They might run for cover. Worst of all, they will go blind in the near future. Yes, it is that serious. So this is why we seek your cooperation in making sure all your flashes and spotlights are switched off. So if you want to use the rest of the announcement to test your cameras, on me, go ahead. But make sure when the show starts, they're all switched off. Now, seeing that I've got people from all over the world here tonight, I'm going to try and make a few quick translations, but I know flash photography rule. Starting first with my Mandarin-speaking guests. 晚上好，晚上好，你好吗？请不要用相关的，可以吗？谢谢你们，谢谢你们。What about Korean friends? Any Korean friends? 안녕하세요. 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 Flash photography 마세요. 감사합니다. What about guests from Japan? Any Japanese friends? Konbanwa. Those are Japanese friends. Konbanwa. Flash 기자님, arigatou gozaimasu. What about fellow Malay-speaking visitors like myself? Selamat malam. Selamat malam. Tolong jangan gunakan flash camera anda. Terima kasih. Very one last group of people. Yes, my Hindi-speaking visitors from India. Make some noise! Thank you very much, folks. You guys never let me down. Namaste. Namaste. Sabo apne camera ke flash ban kijiye. Okay. Shukriya. Now, folks, I put a fair bit of effort into learning all these translations, but believe me, the lights will come down, animals will come out, and you will see that I've wasted my breath. You will see flashes firing from everywhere. Happens during every show. So what I need from you guys are a few suggestions. What do we do to learn? Symbol of grace and courage. This is the Grey Wolf, also known as the Eastern Silver Wolf. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now let me please remind you for this next segment to remain in your seats. Do not reach for our animals, and please switch off the flashes on your cameras. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've often been asked, how do nocturnal animals survive? Well, that's easy. You see, all night creatures have unique adaptations for survival in the forest. For example, the big two rock. Jet black in color, they are almost invisible like that. small animals easily. The bitterung is also known as the Asian bearcat due to their short, stubby legs and bear-like walk. In the wild, the bitterung can live for up to 20 years. That is relatively long for such a small mammal. The bitterung is found in southern Asia as far south as Surabaya, but its range extends all the way up north in southern parts of China and even parts of Nepal and India. Now, another unique adaptation these civet possess is their long and powerful